Did you know your body possesses a remarkable natural system designed to heal itself, maintain a healthy weight, and even guard against diseases such as cancer? Picture waking up feeling full of energy, moving effortlessly, and being aware that you are cultivating a robust, resilient body for the future. This is the potential we are exploring today. In this video, we will delve into easy but impactful daily routines. These are influenced by 5 renowned Japanese scientists. Their work has transformed our knowledge of health and longevity. First, we discuss Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi. He's a Nobel Prize-winning scientist who discovered autophagy. Autophagy is an intriguing process. It's where your cells clean themselves and renew. Next, we will explore the work of Dr. Takayuki Teruya, who investigates the metabolic advantages of fasting. We will also look at the insights of Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, a highly esteemed expert on longevity in Japan. We'll also gain insights from Dr. Yumi Ishihara, a distinguished physician who has earned the trust of Japanese prime ministers. Additionally, we'll hear from Dr. Hiromi Shinya, a pioneering gastroenterologist. He highlights the crucial link between maintaining good health, consuming enzyme-rich foods, and preventing diseases. By the conclusion of this video, you will comprehend how autophagy functions. More importantly, you'll learn how to activate it in your everyday life to enhance your health and extend your lifespan. What exactly is autophagy? Autophagy is the natural recycling system of your body. It acts as a built-in detox, maintaining the cleanliness and efficiency of your cells. Imagine this as a process of cellular cleanup. Your body dismantles and eliminates damaged components. This paves the way for the emergence of stronger, healthier cells. Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, a scientist honored with the Nobel Prize, found that autophagy intensifies when you fast or experience stress. This process aids your body in repairing itself, maintaining a healthy weight, and reducing your risk of diseases such as cancer. In his Nobel lecture, Dr. Ohsumi highlighted the importance of autophagy, stating, "Without autophagy, our cells cannot survive." This process is crucial for maintaining balance, energy, and resilience in your body. As Dr. Ohsumi strongly believes that collaboration and openness are vital for scientific progress. Following his pioneering discovery, numerous scientists have furthered research into how autophagy can be practically applied. It is now well known that this process is connected to aging, cancer prevention, neurodegenerative diseases, and immune health. The main point here is that supporting your body's internal cleaning system is essential. This support should be at both the cellular level and through your lifestyle choices for maintaining long-term health. So, what steps can we take to trigger autophagy in our everyday routines and reap its advantages? It's simpler than it sounds. Here are 3 diet and lifestyle tips inspired by Japanese longevity, supported by leading Japanese researchers. Tip number 1. Activate autophagy with intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is one of the most effective methods to initiate autophagy. This practice has long been a part of traditional Japanese lifestyles, handed down through generations. But what is intermittent fasting exactly? In essence, this involves setting aside a specific period each day during which you avoid eating. This break from eating allows your body to move from the process of digestion to a state of profound cellular repair. Inspired by Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi's groundbreaking research, numerous Japanese scientists recommend a daily fasting interval lasting between 12 and 16 hours. This schedule mirrors the traditional eating patterns of older Japanese generations. Numerous elderly individuals in Japan naturally avoid eating meals frequently or extend the time between dinner and breakfast. This practice inadvertently aids their body's inherent detoxification and rejuvenation processes. A prominent expert in this area, Dr. Takayuki Teruya, focuses his research on how fasting impacts metabolism. He is based in Japan. His studies show that fasting offers more benefits than just weight loss. It improves metabolism, increases antioxidant production, and might even decelerate the aging process. Dr. Teruya's research provides 3 important findings. Firstly, let's talk about metabolic activation during fasting. Dr. Teruya's research indicates that fasting triggers multiple metabolic pathways. This results in a higher production of metabolites. These metabolites are crucial for energy production and antioxidant defense. It appears that fasting can refresh our body's metabolic processes and enhance overall health. Second, generating antioxidants. His studies show that fasting increases antioxidants in the body. These antioxidants counteract damaging free radicals. This boost in the body's natural antioxidant defenses could help prevent diseases linked to oxidative stress. Third, possible anti-aging benefits. Fasting triggers certain metabolic processes that might reduce some aging effects. Dr. Teruya's research indicates that the changes in metabolism caused by fasting might aid in cellular repair and increase lifespan. Dr. Teruya is a strong proponent of the health benefits of fasting. He highlights its ability to rejuvenate metabolism, enhance antioxidant defenses, and possibly increase lifespan. If you're in search of a straightforward, scientifically supported method to boost your health, think about adding intermittent fasting to your everyday schedule. Here's another tip. Practice Hara Hachi Bu. The second lifestyle recommendation is to adopt the traditional Japanese concept of Hara Hachi Bu. This translates to stop eating when you're 80% full. This practice originates from Okinawan culture and is backed by studies on longevity. It promotes mindful eating and a form of calorie reduction that does not lead to malnutrition. By doing so, it allows the body to engage in cellular cleanup, also known as autophagy. This moderate approach to calorie control, along with extended periods of not eating overnight, lessens metabolic stress. It also provides your body with increased opportunities for self-repair. Notably, in Okinawa, a region famous for its high number of centenarians and recognized as a blue zone, this eating style has been a natural part of life, often practiced unconsciously. They follow a tradition of eating early, light dinners, and avoid late-night snacking. This practice essentially sets up a fasting period overnight, which naturally promotes autophagy. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, a highly esteemed doctor and expert on longevity in Japan, lived by this philosophy. He continued working until he was 105 years old. He believed that staying active and never completely retiring helps keep both the mind and body young. His dietary approach was straightforward. Eat moderately, stay away from too much sugar and processed foods, and practice Hara Hachi Bu, eating until you're 80% full. He thought this helped prevent gaining too much weight and played a role in living a longer life. Dr. Hinohara emphasized the importance of staying active. He recommended taking the stairs over elevators and walking every day to keep up one's energy. He had a high regard for medicine, but cautioned against depending too much on doctors. He supported preventive care and having a positive outlook. He believed in taking personal responsibility for one's health. He also stressed the value of lifelong learning and staying curious. He often mentioned that having fun was the best method to distract oneself from pain. For more insights, watch my detailed video where I explore Dr. Hinohara's teachings more closely. Hinohara's invaluable advice. Tip number 3. Diet. What types of food should we consume to fully stimulate autophagy? What we consume is vital in fully activating autophagy, an essential natural process. Dr. Yumi Ishihara, who serves as the personal physician to Japan's Prime Minister and leads the Ishihara Clinic in Tokyo, strongly supports modified fasting. She believes it is a potent method for maintaining health. His daily routine starts with a liquid breakfast consisting of freshly squeezed carrot or apple juice. He skips lunch, opting instead for black tea with black sugar and ginger. He eats just one solid meal each day. This schedule results in extended fasting periods which naturally aid in cellular rejuvenation and autophagy. Dr. Ishihara frequently points out that many people nowadays tend to overeat. He highlights the significance of adopting practices such as Hara Hachi Bu, which means eating until you are 80% full. This practice helps promote longevity and prevents overeating. For breakfast, Dr. Ishihara recommends a nutritious liquid meal. He often chooses freshly squeezed juice from carrots or apples to start the day. These juices contain important nutrients that aid in digestion and help the body recover. Carrot juice, which is high in beta-carotene and vitamin A, benefits the skin and eyes. It also supports liver detoxification. Additionally, it has an alkalizing effect on the stomach. Apple juice, rich in antioxidants such as quercetin, replenishes electrolytes. It also promotes overall health through its natural pectin content. These juices are easy on your digestive system and deliver fast nourishment without overloading your body. To prevent spikes in blood sugar, start by drinking a small amount, roughly half a glass, and then wait 10 to 20 minutes before consuming any solid foods. Adding a handful of nuts or a spoonful of olive oil to your juice can slow down the absorption of sugar and help maintain steady energy levels. Another excellent drink that promotes autophagy is black tea with black sugar and ginger. This mix is not only warming and nutritious, but also provides several health benefits. Black tea contains plenty of antioxidants, which are great for heart health and metabolism. Black sugar, also known as kokuto, is a healthier substitute for refined sugar. It includes essential minerals such as iron, calcium, and potassium. Ginger offers strong anti-inflammatory benefits. It helps with digestion, enhances circulation, and strengthens the immune system. This drink is excellent for supplying mild energy before fasting. It is also effective after fasting. It helps with digestion and restores minerals that were lost. Following the guidance from researchers, it is crucial to restrict your daily intake of solid food. Ideally, consume only 1 or 2 meals per day. Focus on a diet based on plants and whole foods. Opt for a traditional Japanese diet. It includes plenty of vegetables, seaweed, and fermented foods. Fish and legumes like soybeans, natto, and miso are also essential. Combine these with whole grains such as brown rice and barley. This combination supplies the nutrients necessary for your body to flourish and promotes autophagy, according to Dr. Hiromi Shinya, a well-known Japanese-American gastroenterologist, recommended a diet abundant in enzymes, fresh vegetables and fruits, but low in meat. He believed this regimen supports a healthy gut and helps avoid excessive metabolic stress. His Shinya biozyme theory suggests that a plant-based diet aids in autophagy. This process is crucial for maintaining digestive health and minimizing inflammation. Dr. Shinya advocated for including fasting as a part of everyday life. He developed the idea of the Shinya Little Fast. This involves a 16-hour fasting window. You would eat an early dinner and then not eat again until a late breakfast the following day. This routine allows your digestive system a break and aids in internal cleansing. It also supports autophagy, a process of cellular self-cleaning. Dr. Shinya highlighted the crucial role hydration plays in metabolism and general health. He advised drinking a few glasses of clean water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This helps to purify the body. Japanese sencha green tea is abundant in catechin antioxidants. It can mildly enhance autophagy and overall health, making it a beneficial choice any time of the day. Crucially, experts are unanimous in their advice to avoid processed foods and excessive sugar intake. Eating too much refined sugar and white flour can lead to insulin spikes. These spikes can inhibit autophagy. Processed meats and chemical additives can damage your health and metabolism. It's wise to avoid these foods. Follow these key principles. Practice intermittent fasting. Choose plant-based whole foods and limit sugar and processed foods. These steps will help activate autophagy, allowing your body to naturally repair itself. You now possess effective, scientifically supported methods to activate your body's natural healing systems. These can lead to a healthier, more vibrant future. Picture the ease of moving freely, the sharpness of a clear mind, and the burst of lively energy that could be yours. Don't merely observe this video, be proactive. If you have found this information useful, kindly press the like button and subscribe to our channel for additional reliable science-based advice on aging well. Please share this video with anyone important to you who desires a stronger, longer, and more vital life. What's one habit you'll begin today? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below.